You guys aren't very much fun yet, are you? We're not walking real good. We're still working on it. This is one of the little boys. Say hi. And this is the little salt and pepper that's still available. Look at that little face. Look at that chunky little face. And this is the other little boy. And this is Callie. Callie, say hi, Mama. Hey, Mama. They're 18 days old. I sure do a lot of growing in 18 days, that's for sure. Two next to each other. See their sizes. Hey, come here, suckers. Come here, suckers. Hey. Hey, sweetheart. Hi, baby. Hey, Kelly. You gonna wake up? Oh, no. See, no, don't wake me. Oh, don't wake me. Kelly? Where you going? Where's Kelly? Kelly's hiding. Where is she? There she is. There she is. He's hiding.